You hear that, don't you? That sound. Those voices. That noise.
We exist in a world surrounded by distractions and excuses, a world that leads to a life of doubt and wasted potential.
But not our world. Our world is different. We know that somewhere, someone is walking the same path. A path where better is a choice.
The answers are right there. The strength of a team is behind you. A world without limits awaits. Are you ready?
You see, our ambitions only become a reality through the actions we take, the behaviours that guide us and the habits that define us. In order to succeed, effort is the only currency. We train, perform, and compete, turning our weaknesses into opportunities. Opportunities to be better than yesterday.
No doubt, there will be obstacles along the way, but you're prepared for them. Keep your focus, and when the time comes, be bold.
Now it's time to write your story. Rise to the challenge. Overcome your fears and test yourself with each workout.
This isn't just your fight. This is our fight. We are many minds, one mindset.
A community, connected through fitness, committed to the process, committed to achieving the goals we set and hitting new personal bests.
When it gets hard, and it will, that's the time to keep going.
That's the time to remove the limitations holding you back and fulfill your true potential.
We know what you're made of.
We are the force behind progress. And you?
You are ready for anything.
Listen.
Do you hear that?
Break the noise.